iOS 27. Are we getting excited about Siri? Siri on the iPhone? That's kind of what, yeah, I kind of am excited about. Let me explain what's going on with iOS 27 and Siri. And see, so Siri, now known as Siri AI, is more powerful, it's more helpful, and understands and responds in more natural conversational ways. And it does all of this while keeping the stuff on your phone nice and private, so it's not going out to the, the cloud and getting ads for Thai restaurants you don't want. But what's neat about this is you can now ask Siri pretty much anything. Siri, why does the stars twinkle in the sky? Siri, what restaurant am I meeting Faith at for the CNET dinner tonight? And it will find that. It'll find it through the stuff on your phone, or if it has to go to the cloud, it uses this neat thing called private relay to separate out the stuff that you're asking and your prompts and the actual stuff where it's going, whether that's the Google Foundation model, it's not run in Gemini, I know we thought about that, or the NVIDIA models. Yeah, it uses both of them to make it more smart. And it does a lot of other things. You can actually ask Siri pretty much anything you want from your phone, but there's also a new app on your phone, literally called Siri, and it just gathers together all your prompts and questions and conversations into one place. But you know what? Why hold Siri back? We got Siri in the camera app now. There's a new Siri mode, so I can have it look at a photo and answer questions about a photo. Maybe I took a photo of, Twin Peaks in San Francisco. We have Carl the Fog rolling over, and I don't know what that fog is. I can ask Siri to explain what the fog is, and Siri would then show me answers for what the marine layer is and things like that. All of this is coming in iOS 27. Now, a couple caveats with Siri. Number one, Siri is in beta, and you have to sign up for it right now. And all of this is coming this fall. Second, it's only going to be in English. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people won't be able to use it right away. And third, that's not the only thing I'm excited about. In iOS 27, there's also stronger protections for kids and better tools for parents to use to protect them. There's two new features. One's called Ask to Browse and Ask to Buy, which makes the names right there. Basically, the parent has to approve that purchase or that website for a kid to look at it. There's actually stronger warnings and explicit pop-ups. So if someone's on a FaceTime call and there's something they shouldn't be seeing, it will black out the screen and have a giant warning over that content. And here's the thing I think for parents is going to be great. The controls have been completely revamped. It should be much easier for you to use and to set up and maintain, which ultimately is going to be the success of keeping your kids away from some of this stuff as best you can. Okay, so there's one more thing we got to talk about with iOS 27, and that's liquid glass. Now, if there's ever been something that has divided a republic, it's this. So some people like liquid glass and some people absolutely hate it. And Apple's adding some more refinements to it. So you can customize your liquid glassness on your iPhone in iOS 27. You want to go less transparent? You could do that. You want to go full ultra clear? You could do that too. It's all customizable now, and I think this is going to make a lot of people happy. And for those who've not purposely upgraded to some versions of iOS 26, yeah, go ahead and do it. You're going to be fine. By the time iOS 27 comes out, I think we have a lot more refinement there. So liquid glass, is it going to be divisive? I hope not. We'll find out. By the way, I should say we've not tried any of these things. This got announced today. We're excited to do that. So let's talk about some dates. So iOS 27 is going to come out this fall. Siri is rolling out in beta. It's unclear if it will also be in beta when it comes out this fall or if it's just for right now. The developer beta is out right now, so us and some software developers will be trying that, and the public beta will come out this summer. So if you do want to try that, we do recommend using maybe not your main device to try these things on, since they are buggy, since they are meant to be refined. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about iOS 27? Are you here for the liquid glass? Are you ready to ask Siri a ton of questions? Let me know in the comments. Lastly, if you enjoyed this All Things Mobile video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hey Siri, please subscribe to CNET. It's iOS 26, it can't do that.